My name's Justin Gray. I'm a senior project engineer for Holcim. So we chose to use J-Lane and we met with Jesse and Clay initially. Their professionalism was much more obvious than other contractors that we had met with. The quote was very detailed and broke down, easy to follow and understand. The project that we just completed was office renovations for some offices that we had. This area was just a dingy office area that hadn't been used in years, and we explained we want to update this. We got more resources in the plant now, so we need some more offices. We demoed the old stuff, and then we had several different layout drawings that Clay and Mark put together for us. We opted with the best one that suited our needs, and then rebuilt from the ground up there. This is the third project we've done with them, and we have plans to continue our relationship with other projects that we have here. Very easy to work with. They take our ideas and turn them into what we expect, and sometimes they even have better ideas. It's pretty obvious to us that J-Lane's a good company. We strive to work with good companies. When we bring our VIPs in, we want them to know that we work with good contractors as well, and their work shows for itself.